If you've just bought your eSIM and installed it on your Samsung phone, it's time to set it up correctly. Note, if you don't know how to install an eSIM on Samsung, watch this video first. Now, follow these steps to ensure your eSIM is working smoothly. Step 1. Assign eSIM for mobile data. Open Settings and click on Connections. Select SIM Manager. Make sure to turn off your other SIM to avoid conflicts. Turn on your eSIM as the preferred SIM for mobile data. Step 2. Enable data roaming. Now go to Mobile Network. Turn on data roaming. Verify roaming for all networks. This is a very important step to ensure your eSIM works while traveling. Step 3. Troubleshooting slow speeds. To make sure your connection is not slow, adjust your network settings. Make sure your VPN is off. Turn off any other eSIM or SIM you currently have active on your phone. Double-check that data roaming is turned on. Verify that data roaming is allowed for all network. Note that certain devices may not have this setting, such as this one. In which case, ignore this step and wait for Step 4. Change network mode to LTE/4G/3G/2G option. Turn off Wi-Fi. Restart the phone and wait 10 minutes without Wi-Fi. Step 4. Turn off battery saving mode, open Settings, Connections, Data Usage. Tap Data Saver. If it's on, turn it off to prevent restrictions on your internet connection. Step 5. Go to your APN settings. Ensure correct APN settings are entered. Refer to your eSIM provider's instructions. If set automatically and matches the information provided, make sure it is selected. If does not match, contact support or see how to set APN video. That's it! Your eSIM should now be set up and working perfectly. If you face any issues, visit mobimatter.com/troubleshoot for support.